You didn't buy a car? You bought a $50,000 disposable smartphone. And right now, it is quietly rotting in your driveway. Welcome to the great EV depreciation trap. The financial nightmare that dealerships are praying you don't figure out. Let's look at the brutal numbers. A 3-year-old EV has already lost nearly half its value. Why? Because historically, a combustion engine car was a 20-year asset. But your EV? It operates on the lifespan of a consumer electronic. You are driving a rapidly degrading chemical box. Every time you plug it in, you are burning its resale value. But the chemical wear is only half the horror. The real killer is technological obsolescence. In less than 36 months, the next generation of solid-state batteries will hit the market. They will offer double the range and charge in 10 minutes. When that happens, your current EV will instantly look like a dial-up modem in the age of 5G. It becomes completely obsolete. Try trading it in then. Dealerships are terrified of out-of-warranty EVs. The used car market looks at your 5-year-old battery and sees a ticking $15,000 time bomb. Your car's value doesn't just drop. It falls off a cliff. It is a financial liability. So, how do you beat this engineered financial trap? Here is the VoltMechanix survival rule. Never buy an EV to own. Lease it. Let the multi-billion-dollar manufacturers eat the technological depreciation. And if you already bought one, drive it until the wheels literally fall off. Because selling it now is financial suicide. Stop letting the giant touchscreens blind you from the market reality. Protect your wallet. Hit subscribe. This is VoltMechanix, engineered for truth.